Hey everybody! Today we're going to be practicing making a gingerbread digital collage using Google Slides. I've created a demonstration on how to make your gingerbread digital collage. Have fun and be creative. Ciao ciao for now. Bye! The directions for creating your gingerbread are here in the slideshow. First, select your background. Duplicate the slide and then add your name using the text. You can change the text font and the color, also adding a fill to it. You can also increase the size of the text. Next, select your gingerbread. Copy and paste your gingerbread to your slide. Make your gingerbread larger by drawing out on the corners. Next, add a face. Repeat the same steps. Copy and then paste onto your gingerbread. You can adjust the size. Now let's add some clothes. Again, copy and paste to your slide, adjusting the size and the rotation of it is easy by clicking on the corners and dragging. To rotate an object, click on the top and rotate it as you need. You can adjust the size of your gingerbread by selecting all of the shapes and then dragging the corners.